Hello everyone, hope you're all doing great. This is Lecture 5 and today we are going to learn how to prepare a questionnaire for your research project. So let's get started. But before we do anything, we need to know the rules of preparing the questionnaire. So it's 10 questions in total, in which 4 questions are going to be closed questions and the other 4 would be multiple choice questions. And in the end, you are going to have 2 open-ended questions. To know what is the meaning of closed questions is a question which end up with having yes or no answer. Multiple choice questions are having options and open-ended questions has an opinion. But before even the questions, we have to write a paragraph, which is the introduction paragraph, including the topic, names of the members, level or group, objective of the questionnaire, if gender is included, and a thanking note. All right, I'm ready for that. So we are going to have a paragraph. Goes like this. This questionnaire is on the topic of how students shall manage their time effectively. My name is Mazin Al-Makbali and my friend's name is Abdullah Al-Gharibi. We are students of Level 4, Group 17. The objective of this research is to find out how students shall spend their time. Our questionnaire is for both genders, male and females, aged 17 to 20. We would like to appreciate if you have some time to fill this out. This survey, this will help us a lot in completing our research project. Fine, I'm glad that I have an example. And in your Word document, your paragraph should look like this. Now I am very clear how to prepare my questionnaire and I'm excited to prepare the questions. First, we are going to start with closed questions. So you write very clearly, please circle yes or no. The question is, do you think punctuality is important? Yes or no. Have you ever come late for a lesson? Yes or no. So I have given you 2 options, 2 questions. In total, you have to complete 4. So you are going to add 2 more to that. For multiple choice questions, you are going to write, circle the letter of your choice. Which of the following is the most important to you? Spending time with friends, spending time with family, or getting a good education? Number 2, how often do you get plans? And list to organize your activities, daily, weekly, monthly, or never. You have to add 2 more questions to that. In open-ended question, you have to write any question which would require an opinion, such as a university student, why is it important to manage your time? Give your reason. And you are going to give me 1 more. Ta-da! It's so simple. Hope you have liked today's video and it's easy to understand. Give it a thumbs up and share with your loved ones. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and ding the bell for the upcoming videos. Stay happy, stay healthy.